good morning. This is our low carb meal. May salad, may eggs, may gurayan na kinilaw, may fried chicken, and adobong pork, plus our black coffee. Let's eat. Leftover ito galing sa aming bring home. Shout out Marie Vilma. Salamat. Kain! Kaon tayo. May low carb meal. So nag-fasting tano for 20 hours. So 20 hours fasting, 1 meal a day tayo. With our black coffee and our gurayan, our boiled egg. Kag sobra sa handa ni Mariko. Nagpa-bring home kami. So kaunon ta kay sayang man. Congrats Ate Sofia and Mami Vilma. Chicken and pork adobo. Isa mabuna. Thanks for watching.